Just before this episode starts, I want to announce that I do not own anything in this video. No music. All credit goes to rightful owners. Just before we start. Here we go. Let's kick off this brand new episode. Red train and blue train. One day, Bluebell was happily rolling along the rails, like she always does, because she's a steamroller. Then, the Red train pulled about. He was in an urgent hurry. "Excuse me," said Red train. "What do you want now?" said Bluebell. "I'm in a bit of a hurry. I can't really talk. But why did you just come over to me? You gotta come over to me for a reason. I want a contest." "Wait, what? A contest? You crazy?" "You silly engines. You can't have a contest." "Oh, shut up, London bus. Curse you. Anyway, I'm gonna go cause my trouble." "Oh, silly diesels. When will they ever learn?" I wonder where Traction Engine is. He's been having some work. He'll be back in a couple of episodes later. I'm so happy to be finally back on this Broad show. Yeah, me too. We've already got new intros and outros filmed. This is insane. Whoa. Now, Digger, what do you want? You come with me. I can't get you. Whoa, take it easy, mate. You're causing a lot of trouble. What do you mean I'm not causing a lot of trouble? You're the ones that are causing a lot of trouble. You're taking up a lot of track. No, you're not. Now get out. Right, first contest. Who could go the fastest? Oh, that's very easy. That's gonna be me. How about this? Whoa. How did you go that fast? See, I'm a proper steam engine. No, you're not. Even though I'm meant to have a functioning whistle, it's not working because I don't have any batteries. Oh, you silly engine. Right, this is how fast I could go. What? Even though I'm a proper steamy, how did you go that fast? Because I've got rollerblades. Right, listen. That is not funny to joke about. I wouldn't like it if that happened to... Okay, listen. God. Why? Listen. Let's have another contest. I don't really like these contests. Yeah, of course you don't, because I'm volunteering to help in this one. Wait, Digger number 2? What are you gonna do? Excuse me, you're meant to be coming with me. Whoa, wait. Oh, come on. Why? Why would you do that? Now, we need to get you away. Much more better. Alright, come on. Right, how about if I ride on top of you? Oh my god, this feels so weird. How about if I just do a little tilt? Much more better. A little help. Let me help you. If I could get you up. Wait a minute, I could just get myself up. Yeah, even though this would not really be possible in real life, even though you actually can. Shut up and sort these engines out. God. What's his problem? I don't know. Come on, let's go and help these engines. What are you doing now? Why are you hitting me? Oh, I don't know. I'm just having some fun. Listen, that is not funny. I know what else is not funny. Me coming through! Once again. First time it happened to you, now it's happened to me. What is the problem? I don't know. Shall I talk about this later? Yeah, let's talk about it later. Nah, this is not really gone well. See you later, losers. Right, see, I told you we would be back. All together, the Allies puffed home. Even though they never really had a contest, all we can learn from something. Friendships are much more important than anything else in the world. Ah, oh, what a lovely episode. Now I've got to go to the credits. Goodbye. Wait, hey, I'm taking that role. Not anymore, I'm doing it. Why? Because I'm a proper steamie. Goodbye.